Hello there, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about smart TVs, electronics, and how to use them effectively. I also talk about how to download various applications on your Samsung Smart TV that you might not see on the internet. So in this particular case, I'll be talking about how to download UEFA TV on your Samsung Smart TV. This is very easy. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to download UEFA TV on it, if you're a football lover, this is exactly what you have to do. Now, here's my Samsung Smart TV. It might have a different operating system from yours, but the process is still the same. On your Samsung Smart TV, after connecting to the internet, you have to locate your App Store. Now, once you come back to your App Store, here's how mine looks like. There are two ways to get the application. The first way is to go and browse the various available applications. And I come over to sports and I just search for UEFA TV by just scrolling through where I can see. Hopefully, I see the application by just scrolling to it. And here's the application. Now, in some cases, it might be hard for you to see the application by just scrolling. So, what do? You come over to the search box. So to come over to the search box, you just have to come over here and come here. Now, once you're in the search box, you go ahead and type in UEFA. So I'm just going to type in UEFA. I'm not going to type in UEFA.tv. So let's just type UEFA and hope to see the application. Once I type in UEFA, okay, the results are not there. So I'll just go ahead and type in UEFA TV. Now, this one thing that is very important. When I'm searching for a keyword, always make sure to type in the right keyword because any wrong mistake can end up with you not seeing the application. So once you type in UEFA TV and search, oh, there is a mistake, sorry. I didn't see that at the beginning. So always make sure to type in the right keyword because any little change in the keyword will end up with you not seeing the application what you're looking for. So here is it, UEFA TV. So let's first of all search and see if this is going to work. And here's the application we're looking for. So just click on download and click on download. The application will download it straight away to your Samsung Smart TV. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.